So.
From Austin, Texas, welcome to Rivalry Week presented by Remington. And for the 113th time...
So what's in that?
This is sugar.
Sugar, okay.
Not much, about 3 spoons.
Okay.
A teaspoon.
Oh, okay. So what's in each of these?
This is when I make them and it's not flour, then I put more.
Oh, okay. So it's all just flour. Okay.
Texas and Oklahoma, you know the Sooners will be watching this game today. In Texas, they're going to have to pull off an upset. Otherwise, Texas is on its way to the Big 12 championship.
The yeast, yep. And that's what, milk over there?
There's
what's that?
cup milk and 2 cups, 1.5 cup water.
Okay.
I not put much.
Okay.
He's had 2 weeks to recover, had a bye week. He says, I'm tired of talking about it. Don't ask me about it. He says, I'm healthy and ready to play. He's had a great year. He's the #1 passer, efficiency-wise, in the conference.
27 touchdown passes on the other side. Stephen McGee, who made his debut against Texas last year.
Yes, he had a touchdown last year in this ball game. Started every game this year.
This is stupid ketchup yeast.
Okay.
The spirit of this ball club. He is
It's the quick rise stuff, I assume?
He leads a balanced offensive attack. 200 yards rushing, 200 yards passing.
Well, the balance, and the guys back in the studio talking about that balance is going to be put to the test because it is the #1 rush defense that Texas has, so the 2 running backs are going to have to come and show up.
I think Texas A, they may have the answer, but you won't be late. Listen to this play. He's 6 foot tall, 200
This is the
Eggs, yep.
salt and little bit sugar.
And a little bit of sugar. Okay.
These guys are going to have them all day long, and I think this is going to be the answer to that defense.
Well, we'll see if Texas can win a 10th game for the 6th straight season. That's what they're trying to do today.
If it's not enough, I put more water than needed.
Okay.
Sometimes I want, make more.
Coming up next, Texas A&M.
So far,
If there was still a more time for peace of mind, would you take it again? Across America and how big and small, there is such a place. New York Life. It starts with our values of financial
I put more.
and continues with our agents. So don't go and see our time. We already know our people, and we are confident that peace of mind is my New York Life.
I make more money. More Perushki.
Anticipated matchup between the Eagles and the Bulldogs. The Eagles to receive. Let's go down to the field and get a real quick report from May Shipp. May?
The Eagles are hoping they're coming off of the catch-break Bulldogs and three-frame defense. Now, I really think some parachutes coming down. Mike, are you seeing this from up there?
Absolutely, May, and I have no explanation for what's going on right now, but cows are parachuting onto the field. I'm sure if this is some kind of a protest zone or something. 2 cows have landed on the field now. This is the first cow headed for the stands. It's actually headed one way to burger. Oh, my. The burger vendor is down. That's going on the highlight reel. One of the first movies.
You know, with potatoes Perushki, in all Syracuse, I make another woman. And then we have in a church some party. And the priest asked her and me make it. And then each make 200.
Oh my.
Yeah, why? You know how the Polish people come and buy? And they make money for this.
Oh, okay.
And they have, Lent time before Easter. They make pancakes. There was 3 people was going 4 o'clock in the morning in church there in the kitchen. And there 3 make so many eggs, so many, and then the yellow eggs beat with sugar and with salt, but white eggs separate, beat them, and then put all together flour, salt, and eggs, yellow mix, and let that dough raise. We have so big three.
Wow.
And then we have make them and let the raise and then beat in the white eggs and let us get a little raise and then start baking.
Oh, okay.
And the church is over. They have maybe 200-300 pancakes.
Oh, wow.
And, you know, they're from Polish church. They come and they know, and then they come in the white. But, you know, people didn't want to come in their help. And then I moved from Syracuse to Alpesa. You know, the priest wife told me I make party. Somebody told her that I make party. They make me a party there.
Oh.
Oh yeah, they invited every friend, and
Cool.
they have eat there and drink there and everything, you know. And they have, you know, and they make there an evening party there. Helen was not there at the kingdom, but there was already out.
That's the first down at the 31-yard line. Take a look at our Outback Steakhouse start lots. There you see the Texas group up front. They're really going to miss the three interior guys, all seniors, Sutter, Sedline, and Blaylock, and they're good ones. Salvin Young, the starter, a senior at tailback. And now it's Colt McCoy, scrambling around, finds himself inside, finds his tight end. Neil Quinn.
Oh, so good.
All the way out.
Yeah, A&M.
Devin Gregg made the stop.
This I think is a little more interesting.
Texas A&M is a kind of a loose
This time they've
defense. They've much improved.
lost the game, yeah, and much, I think.
Yeah.
Texas goes without got their hurry.
I don't remember with whom they was, but I know they have lost. This was a newspaper.
Falls after he picked up maybe a yard. Defensively, for the Yankees, here's how they look. Mark Dodge making another start at linebacker today. Justin Warren's their leading tackler. Melvin Bullock is basically what they call their whip in the 4-2-5 alignment that Bob just talked about. With the new alignment up here at O'Neill, the defensive coordinator.
It's a little bit.
Quick snap on shotgun, and the throw is
A
out.
bit sticky. Okay.
Dodge is all the way down to the 30-yard line. And boy, Texas is just chewing up yardage. 20-yard pickup that time.
This is just too easy. Colt McCoy is going back and he's standing in that pocket and there's nobody around him. He can just pick and choose where he wants to go with the football.
They move from their own 20 to the Aggies 30 in a hurry. Jamal Charles now. Flanks McCoy in the gun. Look at this first hit. Charles trying to cut it outside. Someone got around the corner. He got a couple of Aggies hanging out and he picked up a couple before he's knocked out of bounds by Mark Dodge.
Brad, what's this hurry up? It's not a fast pace. They're just not huddling. And what that does at the beginning of the ball game, especially to A&M, a visiting team, the tempo is not what they thought it was going to be. So right now, Texas has a little bit of an advantage by coming out and playing a little bit quicker than A&M has.
Second down, McCoy again to the air. Slant, he's got a man some weeks. On the first down, and it's Cosby. Clark Cosby's got 3 grabs already on this drive. Take a look at the game breakdown and the youngsters not greasing ball guard.
Well, keep the balance. That's the offensively run pass. It protect the gunslinger.
You know, this is why I make more. If you make not so many than you, for 6 cups of flour, about 2 cups milk or water, what you like. And 2 eggs beaten with, you see what I've done, just a little bit.
We'll see if that happens when they get the ball. Right now, it's all Texas offensively, all the way down to the 10-yard line. Second down at 3. This is already the 9th play of the drive, and we're only 3 minutes into the game. Here comes a blitz. Charles is hit the backfield and drops. Mark Dodge, nice job by the outside linebacker. We had a start last week. He's a 25-year-old junior after serving in the military for 4 years, and he's a good player. The elder statesman on the whole field, with the exception of the coaches. A&M second in the Big 12. The red zone defense, they'll be challenged here. It's going to be a 3rd down and 6 upcoming.
Mark Dodge is our unsung hero. You watch this guy just move around in this defense. And I want to tell you something. You just said it the play before.
I want told you, Mama, we have father. I thought I make Perushky. She thought, oh no, too much work, you know. We have 2 parties. They're going for 1 week, coming back on Tuesday. Friday we have 1 party, but not so many people. And then 10 days later we have another party. And for what? There will be about 30 people.
And he plays it like a sergeant.
The part that gets me about all your food is how basic it is. At the same point, it takes forever to make.
You know, when we meet, everybody brings something.
Yeah.
But we have to choose it. He eats every time 2 turkeys. And then brisket, one of the men, he makes really good brisket. I never eat so good brisket.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
You know how he makes. Then nuts, somebody put too much barbecue in and sauce. And he makes really good.
Hey, Dad. At some point, I want your brisket recipe. At some point, I want your brisket recipe.
Okay. McRoy, do you know them?
Yeah.
He makes.
Oh, okay.
He makes.
And you just watch him stick it. Just what you call sticking your nose in. Watch it. Bang. There's just no place to go. He was on the ball.
Give me the oil. Nothing that on my head. Oh, so. Thank you.
Welcome.
The oil stay, what you put in oil, they will not open it.
Oh, okay. I was about to take the spoonful of oil. Okay. Just a little bit.
Yeah. About a tablespoon.
Take a look at our IBM Starwatch for the Aggies. The guy that Stacy talked about before the ball game, Martellus Bennett, big play tight end.
This is good, not tight and not really.
He leads the team in sacks, and he'll be all over the field for that Aggie defense today as well. Second down and 9, and Train actually eked out about a 1-yard gain. Stephen McGee, the sophomore out of Vernon, Texas, at the controls for the Aggies in the shadow of their own goal post. He's going to throw from near the fires, and he got his man complete. Chad Schrader with the completion of the first down, a pickup of 11. McGee's a tough customer, and he talked with us about what he wants to get done on drive number 1.
We're brought out to field and try to get field position, if not get points on the board early, because that's obviously going to play a huge role in this game, trying to get some momentum early and kind of ride that on in the halftime.
He's off to a good start. The first down, and his first toss.
Oh, so. This lettuce stay where it is needed.
Okay. So how long does it sit for?
This is about how it's going on. This is supposed to be minimum twice of that.
Okay.
And talk to the guys upstairs. Take a look at the replay. Whether or not he has possession.
Oh, yeah. No, he did not. Whoever has the